Hey friends, I have a life hack for you. Are you ready for this? Do you know how after you run your dishwasher, and even though it has a dry cycle, you open up the dishwasher and all of your dishes are still wet? Okay, here we go. You're gonna open up your dishwasher, take a towel. You're just gonna flop your towel so it's like hanging inside the dishwasher and close it and let it sit like that. But I let it sit there for a couple hours. I come back, that towel magically absorbs all the moisture in your dishwasher and your dishes are dry to put away. You're welcome.